today I'm going to show you how to use Google Slides. So here you can press background. You can choose a background for it. And if you go into Google image search, you can type in anything you want. For example, I'm going to type in a rock. Now, the background is of a rock, but the only thing is that when you do it, the picture sometimes gets stretched out. Also, when you press insert and then you press image, there's the option to search the web. So you can search for a picture. I'll search for a picture of a unicorn. And so then I just need to drag it. And when you press it, there's this button called Format Options. And you can, under recolor, you can make it different colors. And you can make it any color. But there's also a little option that says no recolor. You can also animate it. On click means that you have to click it to appear. After previous is it automatically appears, and with previous is when you do more than one, so they all do at the same time. And here you can do different things depending on which one you like. And so now when I play it, it's slided. And when you can present when you press the present button. And there's a button on here, and you can turn on the laser pointer. It doesn't do anything to the slides, but if you want to point to something or show a special spot of it, then this plus button makes a new slide, and to right there's a text box button here, and you can drag it. Here it says Arial, and you can do any type of way you want it to look. When you write something, they all look different. That's like if I'm writing the letter A, they all look different here. And with this, you can make it bigger or smaller. If I press the minus button, it will make it smaller. So it's very small. But then you can make it bigger. And there are also different numbers. So instead of, if you want to make it really big, you can just type in the number. You can also do it if it's really big and you want to make it really small. Here under color, it's what color in the background. So if I press that, it goes to the background. And this is on the sides. So if I do green, the green shows up all around it. And if I do dark pink, oh, that's a really dark pink. If I do it, it goes around it like that. You can also do it on photos if you want it to look like that. And you can also do different shapes and things. Not all of them are shapes, they're different things. Like this is a moon. And there's also a smile. And to change how they look, you can use this. So it has none of those lines. Or it has those lines. And you can make it clear. Or you can make it look like a person. And on some of the things, you can drag it to make it look different. Like on the speech bubble, maybe someone's talking from here. You can just move that around. And also for the speech bubble, inside the speech bubble you can type on it, and you can also use the background color. Oh, and on the moon, you can use it to make it bigger because there are small moons and there are big moons. The moon might be like that one night, and it might look like this another. There are also different lines, and there's scribble, which means you can draw on the page. But you keep having to press it. And you can change the color.